You are in for a treat today. We're going to be making the most delicious and juicy burgers ever. Let me show you how. First, we need to grind our own beef. Trust me, this makes a huge difference in the flavor and the texture of the burger. You can use any cut of beef you would like, but I'd recommend something lean and tender. Today I'm using IF round because it was on sale and it's perfect for the burgers. I'm using the coarse attachment for this grind, but if you want a smoother texture, you can always put it through a second time with the fine grind attachment. Next, we need to prep our toppings. We want to use fresh and high quality ingredients if you can get them. I have a beautiful beef steak tomato here that I'm gonna slice up nice and thick. Then I have some butter lettuce, which is crisp and sweet. I'm going to remove the stem and pull off as many leaves as I need. I like to soak them in some cold water to keep them fresh and crunchy. Now, let's make some dusted onions. These are fried onions that are crispy and flavorful. They add a nice crunch and a bit of spice to our burgers. To make them, we need to slice yellow onions very thinly and soak in some milk for a few minutes. This helps to remove some of the bitterness and softens the onions. While the onion is soaking, let's make our burger sauce. This is a simple but tasty sauce that goes well with any burger. All we need is some Japanese mayo, some Dijon mustard, and some ketchup. Just mix them together in a small bowl and set aside. Now it's time to fry our onions. We need to heat up some oil in a fryer or a wok to about 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Then we need to toss our onions in some flour, making sure to coat them well. Then we drop them into the hot oil and fry them until they are golden brown. This should take about 90 seconds. Then we take them out and sprinkle some seasoning salt on them. We're almost done. Now we just need to make our patties and toast our buns. You can make your patties any size you want, depending on the size of your buns. I'm going for a 200 gram patty today, which is about 7 ounces. To make the patty, just form a ball of ground beef and lightly squeeze it until it holds together. Then place it between 2 pieces of parchment paper and flatten it with a frying pan until you get your desired thickness. I'm going for about 1/4 inch thick. Then, we heat up a pan over medium heat and add a little bit of oil. We place our patties on the pan and cook it for about 2 minutes per side. We want to get a nice sear on both sides, but keep the insides juicy. Then we add 2 slices of smoked white cheddar cheese on top and let it melt. While the cheese is melting, we toast our buns. I like to spread some mayo on the inside of the bun before toasting it in the same pan as the patty. This gives a nice golden crust and adds some extra flavor. And now, we're ready to assemble our burger. We start with the bun and spread some of our burger sauce on it. Then we add our lettuce, tomato, and cheeseburger patty, followed by the dusted onions, Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more mouth-watering recipes. And don't forget to comment below and let me know how your burgers turned out. Did you add any extra toppings? Did you use a different type of cheese? Did you set your kitchen on fire? Let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.